What is going on? Michael Kittinger here with Fractal CRM. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create websites and funnels. There's additional videos that have actual step-by-step like funnel build outs and website build outs and everything. But I want to show you exactly how to do that. Now, I know before, and part of the reason we came up with Fractal CRM and the all-in-one marketing, sales, and CRM platform and everything is I know for personally with some of my old businesses, old companies, I was using 5, 6, 7 different softwares and trying to integrate them all, trying to get them all to play nice with each other. Um, I'd have a funnel building software, WordPress for regular websites and email and like all these different things. And so the thing I love about Fractal CRM and what we are building and accomplishing here is that it's all in one single platform that plays nice. So if you come down here to sites, you have funnels, you have websites, you have membership sites, and then part of those sites or within those sites, you have forms, you have surveys. You can also then set up a chat widget, your media, those would be like the images and everything. One nice thing that we recently added is URL redirects. So instead of having to go into your domain servers and trying to like get all complicated and everything, you can quickly set up URL redirects here, which makes it super nice. So a funnel is typically where you take somebody through a process. It's usually like an opt-in page, then maybe a calendar page, then an application page, then a thank you page. But they're kind of single-minded websites, I guess, is one way to put what a funnel is. Right? You go to that page and there's not a ton of different options. You know, if you think of most websites, most home pages, you have your home, your about, your contact, your blog, you've got 5, 10 different links and different things going on there. Where a funnel has a very specific process. It's a very linear flow. And so they are different and they serve two different purposes. So with both of them though, when you come into funnel, if you just click new funnel, you can build straight from scratch, or we do have a template, some templates, a library of templates that you can use, and we are constantly rolling out new ones. But let's say you're an attorney, you could come in here and you could see the funnels for attorneys. Of course, again, you can always build it out yourself, and then you just click yes, I agree, and you can build it out. But so there's an attorney funnel. So again, you can find templates, you can quickly build your own. Same with the websites. Now, if you notice, like the funnels are going to be like, again, a series of pages. If you come in here to the websites, like let's say, insurance. Where's insurance? Insurance. You have, again, the home page, the about us page, the services page, the pricing page, the contacts page, book an appointment page. So you have all these different, it comes with a series of pages and it's not necessarily a linear, straightforward flow. But once again, we have these templates. It's super simple. If I come back here, and then we have the membership sites, you can build out and again, all these other things. But let me just quickly come in here and I'll show you here. Funnel. So again, the funnel is basically going to be a series of steps. So you have first step, maybe it's opt-in, and we just want this to be, guide. If you are coming over from ClickFunnels and you have the ClickFunnels, the URL, you can put it in here and it will attempt to import that page in. You do have to verify that you are the owner of that ClickFunnels page. Obviously, you don't want to be stealing other people's pages and things. The other thing I'll note is that it brings a lot of stuff over, but it doesn't necessarily bring everything. If there's a lot of custom coding on the page, it may not bring all of the custom coding over. We use forms over here. So you create a form and you have like your name, your email address, and then the button. In ClickFunnels, like each thing it's not one single form. You actually drop in like first name on the page and then, email on the page. So some things will come over, some won't. But if you are migrating over for ClickFunnels, first of all, glad to have you here. And second, just know that some of it will come over, but then you may have to do some cleanup and everything. If you have any questions, let us know. So actually, let's name this guide opt-in. I'll show you here real quick. And then we'll have this be the we'll name it guide thank you page. We'll just put guide thank you. And then, so they have that. And then maybe the next thing we want is application. And then we have calendar. And here we'll have call thank you. So now we have a funnel. Now we haven't actually built out anything in the pages, but you can see here we have our steps. So they're going to opt in for the guide. They're going to hit the guide thank you page. Hey, here's a video explaining or thanking them and explaining how they can access the guide. Then, hey, if you want to apply for maybe, one-on-one coaching, group coaching, what have you, click the button below. They'll go to the application page. They complete the application page. They go to the calendar booking page, and then they go to the thank you page. So this is a funnel. This is the process we want to take somebody through. What's nice is as people are coming through here, we can come over here to stats, and we can see how many people have, how many all page views, unique page views, how many people have opted in, how many sales have been made if you're actually selling something in the funnel directly, average earnings, all that good stuff. Over here under settings, you can put in your heading and tracking code. So if you have Facebook Pixel, if you have Google Tag Manager, you can do all that here. So it's super simple. You don't have to do a lot of programming or getting into the, the HTML and the scripts and all that. You just literally copy it off Google Tag Manager, Facebook Pixel, LinkedIn Pixel, whatever the tracking codes you want to use there. You select the domain, and if you want a favicon. So like this is the favicons, the little image up here at the top. You can just do that as well. And then over here, you would click save and it will update it. So that is how, that's how you create a funnel. That's how you, same thing, create a website. Again, if you do go with the templates, it already will have the pages built out. So I'll show you here real quick. So if we come in here and we select this one, and come down here, and it doesn't show fully on the screen. There we go. Get this template. And so once again, like here, it's pre-built, but you can see there's a claim page, then a booking page, and then a thank you page. So very easy to use. If you are on our pro, if you have a pro membership account, you get access to the split testing. So you can create multiple, 2 variations and test and see which one outperforms. But yeah, if you have any questions, as always, you can come up here to the black circle with the white question mark. You can click that. Of course, you have our help library. You can also then come in here and contact us, our support team, directly. But yeah, that is how you create create funnels, create websites. We are the Infinitely Scalable marketing and CRM software platform. So you can have unlimited funnels, unlimited websites, all that. As always, if you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.